Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. We are looking at the preview for the week of April the 26th to May the 2nd over at Walgreens. Lots of cheap stuff and great deals in this flyer. So we are going to preview it, and it's going to be another great week and the beginning of a new month over at Walgreens. So we're pretty excited by that. If you guys could do me a huge favor and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, really helps me out. And if you have the hype button, consider pressing it and see what happens. Helps out the video tremendously. And again, the week is for the 26th to the 2nd. We're already in a new month. Can you believe that? I certainly can't. We have 2 digital boosters. I didn't get an overall basket booster, but we have a 5-pack when you buy 3 P&G bath care and a 4-pack when you buy 4 P&G deodorants. Both of these are happening in store as well, and they don't really excite me that much. Maybe as the week marches on, we'll get another booster. Let me know if you guys got a booster in the comments down below. Please remember, this is a preview. The full ad and all of the digital coupons will be published on Sunday, the 26th, probably around 3 or 4 a.m. Eastern. It doesn't happen right at midnight. Sorry, guys. And remember, there's also tons of clearance in that detergent aisle, and that's like the meat and potatoes that a lot of us like. I made a full dedicated video earlier in the week. I will link it at the very end. A lot of this stuff is either a couple of dollars off or like 50%. Still not enough. Still a lot left at many stores. So let's get right into the deals. First super duper deal is the $5 Dove. It's either on the regular one or the men's for $5. $4 reward when you buy 2 with a 4 off a 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of the $5 Dove shampoos, that's $10 on the nose. Again, you pick men or women's. Subtracting the $4, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And don't forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. Sometimes Dove Men's has rebates. Maybe you might have one, maybe you won't, but worth photographing it to the Fetch rebate in case there might be something. Next deal that we're looking at is the $3.50 Oral-B's or the Crest. Buy 3, get back a $5 register reward with a 5 off 3 digital coupon. It works so much better than the 3 off a 2 if you still might have it. Grabbing 3 of these toothbrushes, it would be $10.50. Subtracting the coupon, you're paying $5.50, getting back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And hey, most of us don't even have a booster this week. Now, this is a deal that we're going to look at 2 different ways. That Hello $5 coupon expired on the weekend, but will it come back again? If it does, and we get a $5 off the Hello along with a $3 off of the Colgate Fancy at $6, here's possibly a deal. Grabbing 1 of each, that would be 12, like a $6 Hello and a $6 Colgate. Subtracting a 5 and a 3, if it appears that way, you would pay 4, get back a $5 register reward, making this a freebie and a deal everybody should do. We're going to have to wait and see if that coupon shows up the way I think it might. It might not, though. So that's why this video is a preview. Alternatively, if we only get a 5 off a 2, grabbing 2 of the more fancier ones, 2 $6 Colgate toothpaste, 12. Subtracting that 5 off a 2, you'd pay 7. Get back a $5 register reward. It's 2 for 2 or $1 per unit. Not as good. Again, we're going to have to wait and see what we get. And if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash on both. I hope I'm right. This is a really great deal on these Walgreens brand. It's a lens wipe, and there's 40 per box, and they're $3.99. Buy one, get one 50% off with $5 register reward when you buy 2. And this ends on the 2nd, so you have this week to do it as well. It was advertised last week as well. So here it is, grabbing 2 boxes of these eyeglass wipes. Buy one, get one 50% off, $3.99. Second one, $1.99. That's $5.98. Getting back that $5 register reward, it makes it 98 cents for 2 or 49 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And I will let you guys know that register reward is very specific to medical stuff. It'll scan on anything, but if the cashier wants to read it and say, you can't buy this Cottonelle with that coupon, just be mindful of that. You might have to grab some generic Band-Aids or something else. And I believe it is also not rolling. Another deal that's absolutely fantastic is the buy one get one 50% off on the Axe body wash, a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. It's such a great deal. So grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $8.98 if it's $5.99 per unit. Subtracting our coupon, you're going to pay $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per body wash. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The Olay and the Old Spice for $8, $5 reward when you buy 3 with a 7 off of, it's probably going to be a 7 off of 3 digital coupon. Grabbing 3 of the Olays at $8 a unit, that's $24. Subtracting the $7 coupon, you're paying $17. Getting back a $5 register reward, making it $12 for the 3 or $4 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you might have that $7 Neutrogena register reward from the week previous, that would be an ideal one just to toss into the mix to get a lesser out of pocket because 17 is a bit scary. The Pantene for $5.49, $4 reward when you buy 3. I think that's going to be a 5 off 3. Let's hope. If it is, here's the deal. Grabbing 3 of these, it's going to be $16.47. Subtracting that coupon, you'd pay $11.47. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $7.47 for the 3 or $2.49 per unit. I love their conditioner, so this is not a bad deal. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, and it's not a bad little deal, and usually it's $2.49 with the promotions they have, so I think this is how it's going to shake out. Here's a deal we all really enjoy on the $9.99 Venus and Gillette razors. Typically we get $3 digital coupons, but will we get something more? I don't know. Grabbing 1 of each, it'll be $19.98. Hoping we get those $3 coupons, that would be 6 off. You'd pay $13.98. Get back a $6 register reward when you buy 2, making it $7.98 for the 2 or $3.99 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And if you want these fancy razors, I think this is definitely a good stock up price. And we'll have to wait and see what coupons we get on Sunday. And the $3 Suave hair care, $1 reward when you buy 2. I'm not seeing a digital coupon as of yet, but grabbing 2 of them for $6, getting back that $1 register reward, it makes it 5 for 2 or $2.50 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but not a bad little deal. We haven't had a deal for Suave shampoo in some time, so if you might have a register reward, say from that medical stuff, toss it in. Why not? Make a deal happen. Okay, so now we're going to talk about some honorable mentions. The first one goes to this, the 4 for $10 on the Downy, Febreze, Bounce, all these good laundry care products. It makes it $2.50 per item. Even if you wanted to use that $7 Neutrogena register reward, you'd pay $3 for all this magic. So I think it's just a great little deal any way you slice the pie. And why not make something happen? We also have the buy one, get one free on the Batiste dry shampoo. Sometimes IBOTTA has rebates for this, and I know it's usually like $12 for 2. But if you sweat a lot or work out a lot, you know the value of dry shampoo. I certainly do. This might be the week to stock up on this product. And we have the 2 for $6 on the Jolly Ranchers. If you need something sweet on the go, $3 a bag is not a bad price point. There's also lots of candy that's on clearance as well. You might want to walk down that aisle that has like all the stuff that you would get before a movie at Walgreens because there's a lot of clearance tags there. And we have the buy one, get 2 for free on the Walgreens food storage bags. It's usually $2.79 for the first, and then with 2 for free, it makes it 93 cents per box of 20, which is not a bad price point. And we also have a buy 2, get 1 for free on the 12 packs of Canada Dry Dr. Pepper, those good products, and 2 for $7 on the Lay's and the other chips. I know that there was a rebate on IBOTTA for one of the chip companies. Maybe it'll pop up again, so we'll have to double, triple check that one. It did vanish as the week moves on, but sometimes they come back, and that is the magic of IBOTTA, and you always have a week post to submit for any receipt with IBOTTA. And the final deal, a buy one, get one free on the DiGiorno pizza. This is a great deal to use Walgreens cash on, and I would definitely stock up for that price point, especially if you love pizza. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.